True with Guns America, we are at the 2024 NRA show, and we just found this company. I have not seen them before at a show. They're called Empire, and they are taking Colt pythons and they're adding their own rail, they're adding a muzzle brake to the end of it, and they're adding their own grip. So this one I happen to be holding right here is completely brass, and it is extremely heavy. So I'm guessing that with a 357 hot load, it's going to kick something like a 22 because it is that heavy. And then you add this giant muzzle brake on the end of it, and the recoil is going to be gone. Plus, it looks cool. So they have a straight black model. I don't have it right here, but I think they told me that that's something like $2,100. And so just depending on what you want, they have Cerakote, whatever, optics, you can kind of have done whatever you want to them, and the price will vary. But you can send in your own Colt Python, or you can call up and order something special from them. But this is the all brass one, and it is a heavy beast. So tell us in the comments if you think this is cool, ridiculous, if you'd buy one. I actually think this is kind of cool. I don't know if I go for the complete brass color, but the concept is pretty awesome. So let us know what you think. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next video.